Hey, what's going on, Facebook? Well, you guys been asking me to make a quick video, and I missed some parts, so I'm gonna make sure I get up here for that free airdrop. Okay, you need to have BNB coin in your Trust wallet. There's a lot of steps to do that. For me, the quickest step that I have done was to come to crypto.com, come in here, buy. Let's do. Let's do. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, we'll buy it. Okay. They don't charge you fees. Everything's about fees. Okay. It takes a few moments to confirm transaction. Okay. Your purchase of BNE. Boom. So step one is done. Getting the BNE. Okay. So let's get ready for step two. Okay, so we're gonna get step two. You're gonna refresh your screen. Your BNB coin should already be there. After that, we are going to go to, where is our Trust wallet? Okay, we're gonna go to Trust wallet. Okay, and then we're gonna go into BNE. Then we're gonna do receive. Then we're gonna copy it, right? Okay, we're gonna copy that. Then we're gonna go into here. I always try to make sure I keep my wallets locked because people out there always trying to take your money. Okay, so we go crypto wallets. Okay, we're here. So we're gonna go here. Okay, you see one of the withdrawals was earlier, so we're gonna do a transfer. We're gonna do that. External trans. We're gonna do Trust wallet, correct. Withdraw. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're gonna do the whole max, withdraw all of it. They charge you fees. Okay, so that's getting done. We're gonna be getting an email shortly, so let me stop the video and check that out. Okay, well, here we're back for part three. We are back at part three. We have been waiting for about 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. It's letting us know that it got confirmed, so let's go and check that out. I'm gonna go to Trust Wallet. Okay, great. There it is right there. You know, they charge you your fees, you know what I mean? That's kind of where it's kind of the kicker, but it's okay. Now, watch this, okay? Here's where the fun part gets, okay? You're gonna go here. You're gonna do swap. Okay, now you're swapping BNB to gain. Okay, I'm doing, let's do 75%. Boom, boom, boom. How much is it swap? Okay, boom, boom, boom. B2, B20. Send. Okay. Swap complete. Boom. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go there. Fees dropped here. Now it's in your smart chain. Okay. Turn it down, baby. I'm sorry about that. Okay, before we get here, you're gonna look for Moon Chain as a token. Okay, as you guys already have, see I have 187 100 million coins. Okay, so if you want to add a coin, you're gonna add it right there. You're gonna go here and you're gonna look for Moon Chain, and then boom, and then you're gonna activate it. You know what I mean? Let's also add Moon token, activate that one, because that one I heard is pretty good. I heard which one else I heard is pretty good. Moon Safe. That looks like it's a Moon Safe. I think it looks like it's a knockoff from another one. But anyways, Moon Safe and Moon Red. Well, for now those are the two tokens I'm adding. Okay, you added them. Now you're gonna see them here. Okay. Now that you have that, you are going to go and use the link from the post, okay? I hate this. This is the only part I hate. Okay. So I gotta come in here. Okay. I'm gonna copy it, okay? After I copy it, I'm gonna go back to my Trust wallet. I say this took me 4.5 hours yesterday to go video after video after video. Okay, and then you're gonna go into, okay, then I'm going to here. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. Okay. Whew. Now we're getting to the cool part. Okay. So we're gonna let that roll up. It might be a little slow because a lot of people are jumping on real quick to get that $1 million Moon Chain finance token. Okay. So let's just double check. Let's just make sure. Okay, let's just. Okay. Okay. So I guess because I didn't click the thing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. So here you are. 8 days before it launches, it's gonna be listed on Pancake Swap. Okay. Okay. There's your AirDrop, 100 million coins. Okay. You could buy them right now, and I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna do both. You need to be invited by me or somebody, you know what I mean? And that's why I'm doing this video, to invite you guys, to help you guys come up here and dance in the prosperity of abundance of cryptocurrencies coming out. See? So when we do that, you're gonna come in here. First, you gotta change your network to Smart Chain. Okay, well, before we do that, look, I'm gonna show you the difference. Okay, if we would have left there and we try to do claim, look at the prices. Okay, so it's still $6 for 1 million tokens is not bad with Ethereum, but why not get this? Okay, 22 cents for 1 million tokens. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now I'm gonna buy, so it gives you a limit of how many you could buy, because they don't want you to manipulate it. So where is it? Where is the buy? Okay, the minimum you could buy is that, the maximum is that. Okay, so I want to buy. Okay, I'm buying 6 total. Boom. Just like that. Okay. So we're gonna go here. Okay. I could go back and buy some more. Like I said, I spend money on stupid shit, so why not invest on something that's going to position myself to make a lot of money, even if it goes up to 1 penny. You know? Okay. Transactions. So even if it just goes up 1 penny, that's $48.8 million. Okay. And go back in there. Buy again. Buy again. Buy again. So I'm gonna do this one more last time. Like I said, even if it goes up to 1 penny, even if it just goes up to 1 penny, it's gonna be well worth it. Hypothetically, hypothetically, that quick, I have 1.8 billion moon coins, finance tokens. So even if it goes up 1 penny, be good. So hopefully, hope this helped you guys. Like I said, it took me 4 hours of my day yesterday late at night trying to research how to get this done for you guys. Well, for me, and then I'm like, you know what, everybody could benefit from that. So I did this for you guys for free of charge. But if down deep in your heart you guys want to send me some appreciation donation, shoot, don't bother me. Hit me up for my Cash App or my wallets. Peace, love, and abundance. Bye. Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones at YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful Friday? Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. Well, it is a wonderful Friday based on this airdrop that's coming, baby. Moon Chain's giving a airdrop. But they're just not doing just any regular airdrop. They want to turn you into a millionaire, a cryptocurrency millionaire. Why do I say that? Because they're giving you 1 million Moon Chain coins. What? Blah. Look at that. You can buy it. Max. Okay. Watch this, okay? They have okay, watch this. The only way that you could participate in this airdrop is being referred by a participant. So, because I bought on already some moon rock, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to do this. It's just simple. Ready? Are you guys ready? Are you ready to become a crypto millionaire? At least in moon chain coins. Let's get it. You click it. You need to be in the Binance Smart Chain. Can you get it? Look at that. Look at those fees. So you're paying 28 cents on network fees just to get a million coins. Okay, boom, just like that. Okay, like I said, I bought some, so I'm gonna show you that I did. Okay. Okay, let's go to my wallet. $174 million Moon coins is sitting on my wallet. What? So even if this coin just goes up to 1 penny, that is $17.4 million. Just 1 penny. Okay? Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. At the end of the day, it's all currency. It's all energy. So make it. Let me know if you guys need help doing it. Peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. And grand rising.